Hi, so what's happening with over the reality? In this video, I am going to talk a little bit about the over token, and as mentioned in my previous video, Nerfs. Hi, I'm Digital Femme, and welcome to our channel. This is a channel where it's totally okay to overthink it. If you came here looking for information on over the reality, the metaverse, augmented reality, AI avatars, map to earn, or Nerfs, then you've come to the right channel. If you're watching this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So before we get started, I want to share with you an article from last year. So the headline reads, Apple's Tim Cook advocates augmented reality over metaverse. And I was like, oh, wow, that it was almost like a mind fuck. Because, first of all, to me, with over is an augmented reality metaverse. So this sentence to me completely does not make sense. And back in October 4, 2022, or probably before that time when this interview happened, it's clear that Tim Cook back then really had no idea what the metaverse could be or how augmented reality technology can actually be integrated and be the metaverse. So, in the first paragraph, it says during a recent interview, CEO Tim Cook predicted that AR would overtake both the metaverse and virtual reality as the most important technological development in the near future. Wow, Tim Cook. You might want to rephrase that. Hopefully, in this current day, you already are aware that augmented reality can become a platform for the metaverse. Somebody better tell Tim Cook about over the reality. That's all I'm saying. Now, I really want to delve into what Over is doing with Nerfs, but before we do that, I came across Paul Barron's tweet. Let's go see it. So, yesterday, Paul Barron tweeted, Here's why we think Apple might reveal the most anticipated device of the decade on June 5th, and the implications on metaverse projects. So, as you know, over the realities and augmented reality metaverse, and he actually mentioned Over, but not in the way that I thought he would. So here's the video where Paul Barron mentions Over.
This is the coin market cap, Metaverse, and VR AR tokens by market cap. I've done a sort quickly by the 7-day, and many of you guys will know. Let me zoom in on this right here and kind of highlight. Over, of course, has had this massive move here recently, mostly because of what's happening with Apple. This is one I'm watching very closely just because of the market cap itself, but I'm more interested in how VR in general is going to be.
And that's basically all that he said. Now, Paul Barron is very much aware of Over the Reality. As a matter of fact, he has mentioned Over in depth in a number of his videos. And if I find them, I'll definitely put them in the description below for you to watch. Okay, so let's go over what Over the Reality is doing with Nerfs. By the way, if you want to know more about what Nerfs are and want an in-depth video, this is really not an in-depth video on Nerfs. If you want me to make an in-depth video, then let me know in the comments below and I just might do it. I know I wanted to make an in-depth video, but there was more to it than I thought. And right now I just want to do a short video just to capture what's going on with Over right now. So if you visit Over the Reality's website, there is a section in the marketplace where you can see all the Nerfs. I'll go to the marketplace right now, and it will be on the left sidebar, and it's right here, mappings. Now, we used to call it 3D mappings, but we changed the naming to Nerfs, Neural Radiance Fields, because we felt that it best represented what it actually was. So if you click on mappings, you get a On the hero image, you get a map of the world, and you can, like scroll through the different countries and areas. Before we get into that, let me show you. You can actually toggle how many lands, overlands are sold all over the world. You can see here that in Europe, there's quite a lot. There's like 183 thousand over here. There's like, oh, look, 188 in Canada. Anyway, and then over here, you can click on where the live overlands are, meaning where you can find augmented reality experiences. And in the middle, you'll find out where there are mappings or where users have downloaded the over app and using the M2E feature or map to earn feature have created Nerfs in these locations as represented in the green circles. So let's scroll down and you can see all the mappings or Nerfs that people have captured. Now, if you notice, there is actually a scoring system. So the scoring system is actually a guide that tells you what the potential outcome or the result of the Nerf will be once you've completed it. Now, there are I can't even count, but there are literally pages and pages of people uploading their Nerfs. And right now, we are really asking the community if you can go out, if you live in a city where there is a really popular like square, like the Trafalgar Square or like the Eiffel Tower, go ahead and map that out or Nerf it and upload it. Now you don't have to own the overland to capture a Nerf. You can just go outside and, Nerf it up any location at all. But if you do own an overland and you actually do Nerf it, is Nerf it a real thing? But anyway, that's what I'm going to call it in this channel, Nerfing it. We're Nerfing it up. If you do Nerf it, then that's so much the better. Now, there is a monthly map to earn contest happening, and it's called the Map to Earn Monthly Challenge. And what that means is you can go outside and capture Nerfs. And I believe there are 10 winners selected using Chainlink's verified random function or VRF. And these 10 winners will share a prize pool of 10,000 over tokens. You can read about it on Over's blog, and I will put the link in the description below. So win 1,000 over tokens with a monthly map to earn challenge. So basically 10 winners sharing a prize pool of 10,000 over tokens, you get 1,000 each. Now there are some rules as to how you qualify. You must submit at least 10 over maps. Like I said, we are changing it to Nerfs. So you must submit at least 10 Nerfs. Try to really use the guide in the app. It'll tell you in real time your score. And that way it really helps you get a really good quality Nerf in the end. So I believe Over is going to be announcing something really special surrounding Nerfs in the month of June. So if you want to hear more about that, please follow them on socials. I put their social links in the description below. And by the way, if you're enjoying this video or you're getting anything out of it, do consider giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Now, if there's anything that you want me to talk about in regards to Over, please let me know in the comments below and I can create a video for you. So before we wrap up this video, at the time of this video, Over is holding a Twitter AR contest. So if you're watching this video today, which is May 26th, and you still have time to enter the Twitter AR contest. And it ends June 15th, so it's coming up really soon. And basically, there's going to be 5 winners that will share a prize pool of 1,000 over tokens. Now you have to really read the details. Now let's go over the details. You have to upload a screenshot with a video and the link to your Overland AR experience. And you have to upload it on Twitter. Now you have to tag Over the reality and use the hashtag Over AR experience. That is on your Twitter account. Now, I recommend that you copy and paste your tweet or just copy the URL of your original tweet, and you have to reply to this main tweet, and you have to reply to the main tweet with your original tweet. Sound confusing? I'll show you. Okay, so here's the main tweet, and I'll put the link in the description of the main tweet. And over here, this is how you reply. Somebody replied with a, I have to remind them that they have to upload a video, but somebody replied with a screenshot. They have the hashtag and they tagged us. And here are the other people. Now, this is a good way to do it. You just like basically copy and paste, and it shows here. This guy, he did his overland, he did a screenshot, but then he also has a video over here. Well, that's all for now. I could tell you more, but I'd rather have Over announce things first. And then after they announce it, then I can talk about it on this channel. I can give hints though. And one hint would be there will be another major contest happening pretty soon. So get ready for that. And that's all I'm going to say. Anyway, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up because it will help with the algorithm. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And remember, this is the only channel where it's really okay to overthink it. So stay tuned in my next video when I talk about Over's AI avatars. Bye for now.